So you have got the tickets to go watch Oppenheimer. But do you know the science behind nuclear explosion? It might be helpful for you to see the video, get some revision, and then go watch the movie. So let's start. So to understand nuclear reaction, nuclear bombs, you have to understand the basics of fusion and fission. Now, fusion is what it sounds like. Like there are two atoms, they get fused into one big atom that is called fusion. Fission is just the opposite. There is one big atom, it gets split into two smaller atoms. This is a nuclear fission. Now, this nuclear fission is used in a nuclear bomb because when the fission happens, a lot of energy gets released. Even in the time of fusion, a lot of energy gets released. That's how the sun is burning, because inside the sun, fusion reactions are happening all the time. But this fission is like easier to achieve, so this is what is used in a nuclear bomb. Fine. Now there were like two candidates, types of atoms that was mainly used in the time of when the atom bomb was made. One was uranium 235 and one is plutonium 239. Now, why are they useful? This uranium 235 has a good property. Suppose there is a uranium 235 atom. Who's banging the door, man? I don't know. Suppose there is an uranium 235 atom and you hit it with a neutron. Now what happens is that this atom gets split into two fragments, two smaller atoms. These things are called fission fragments. Also, what happens is that three or two neutrons gets released from it. Now, suppose there are three more uranium 235 atoms. This is also uranium 235, and the three neutrons hit these three. What will happen is that it will again get split into two fragments. Let's make the fragments like this so easier to understand. And also, suppose two neutrons gets released. This one too, two neutrons. This one, suppose three neutrons. Now here energy was released because of the fission. Here also energy was released. Here also energy was released. Here also energy was released. Now suppose there are more uranium atoms and they go and hit them. Are you seeing my point? It's a chain reaction happening. Once it started, it goes on and on until there are uranium atoms for these neutrons to hit. There will be more neutrons and more energy. So this is a nuclear chain reaction. I don't know what spelling I'm writing, sorry. Chain reaction. So this is the basics of an atom bomb. Got it? Now this uranium 235 on average releases 2.4 no 2.3 I guess 2.3 neutrons, and this one releases on average 2.9 neutrons. So plutonium is like say gives a better chain reaction because it releases more neutrons. Also uranium, it gives away almost something like 194 mega electron volt on a when it gets the fission. Plutonium gives away something like 197 probably mega electron volt. Yeah, so that's the basics of nuclear reaction, nuclear bomb. Now you can go watch Oppenheimer. Good luck, best of luck. Yeah, there is no tutorial for watching Barbie though.